Welcome back. In this video, we will connect our payment options like Shopify payments, PayPal, Amazon payments, or any other payment option that you have available to you in your country of residence. So head over to your Shopify dashboard and you would see the setup guide. The step number 4 says go to Shopify payments. So we can easily click on this and it brings us to the payment setup for Shopify. Or let's say you can't get here or you don't have the setup guide on your screen. All you have to do is simply click on settings on the left side and we go to payments. And here we go. So you can activate Shopify payments if it's available in your country. If it's not, there are other providers. All you have to click is see all other providers. And if we open this in a new tab, it's going to give us all that detail and we'll get to it shortly. However, let's look at PayPal. So PayPal is right here. All you have to do is click Manage PayPal and click on Complete Setup. Let's click on Complete Setup and it's going to open up a new tab. And this is where you're going to log in with a PayPal email that you have created already, or you can go ahead and create a new one. So that is how you connect PayPal and it's pretty straightforward. Now, if you have Amazon payments, the same exact thing. You sign up for Amazon Pay and then you can activate as Amazon Pay right here. You can also add other payment methods. All you have to do is click here, add payment methods. And let's say you have, go to the right side where it says search by provider, and you can go ahead and search something like, oh, it's popping up, Chase, Affirm, Afterpay, Sezzle, let's see, Sezzle right here. Easy. These are all the other options right here. And you can scroll down and there are tons and tons of payment options. When we clicked on the third-party payment providers, it gives you all the ones that are available to you based on your location. So if you see right here, it says AirPay unavailable in your country. I'm in the United States. This does not apply to us. Curvus Pay does not apply to us. And RealX, some countries this is going to be available, and the ones that are available to me will not be available to you. So that's the way it goes. Okay, we can close out of this and all we have to do, let's go back to the page. Let's go back to payments. All I have to do is click on activate Shopify payments and it will tell me you'll be able to accept payments after you provide some required information about your business. I am doing business as an individual or sole proprietor. I can uncheck this because I have a registered business and I can go ahead and click continue. If you don't have a registered business, you can go ahead and click this, check it, and it's going to be straightforward. It will ask you for your social security number or your national identification number, depending on where you live, whatever, and hit continue. And it's going to pop up this screen that says complete your account setup, and you're going to submit all your business information, add your banking information, and all this stuff. Pretty straightforward, and you'll be able to accept payments. Okay, we have successfully set up our payment options. So that's it. We can now receive money to this bank account and we can accept payments for this online store. The checklist is completed for the guide. We can dismiss the guide. That is it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time we drop a video that could help you with your e-commerce journey. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go.